Okay, I'm going to show you in this video how you can add a comment to schedule in Post My Party. So first we're starting with the post, and it's going to be a game, and it's going to be a single picture. So I'm going to type in the words, game time. Can you guess how many, and let me get a picture and then we'll do it. So browse for your picture. Mine is going to be in desktop. Please do not follow me for organization tips. Hold on. Probably. Okay, so let's say I'm going to guess how many we're getting ready for Valentine's Day, so we'll do how many hearts are in the donut pan. So I put my image, guess how many heart candies are in the donut pan. Now, I also like to add some words about the donut pan, which I'll go back and add later, as well as maybe another couple of images, so it's not just a game post. It gives people some information. And let's say I'm scheduling this on day 5, yes, at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to do save. Okay, now I'm going to go into that post. So here's the post, okay? See on the bottom it says add comments. So I'm going to go down here. Shh. Okay. And I'm going to do add comment. Okay, and again, it's going to be a picture comment, and this is what I usually do for these. Not congratulations, sorry. Woohoo! The game is over. Are you the winner? And then I just put the answer. The answer is 282 hearts. Okay, and then you have to put the day. So depending on when you end your contest, you put it the next day or whenever. So I usually do it the next day. And I usually do it in the morning. So I would do like 9:05 or 9:10 because you can't have it scheduled for the same time as another post. And if I did have a post scheduled for this time, it would tell me. So now I'm going to click save. And now here's the beauty of this. What's going to happen is on day 5 of my template at noon, this game is going to go. And then on day 6 of my template at 9:10 a.m., the answer is going to go. So I don't have to remember to go back and check and put an answer. Lately, I've been skipping a day or two in between. That way, maybe some people will post or I'll have my host tag them. So I hope that's helpful. Catch you later.